You've been patiently waiting for an estate to be distributed, only to find that the executor is delaying the process. Months go by, and nothing happens. Letters are unanswered, and the promised funds or assets still haven't arrived. Frustrating, isn't it? Unfortunately, this is a common issue in estate administration. Take the case of Sophie. Her mother had passed away, leaving Sophie and her siblings as beneficiaries. Their uncle was appointed executor, but he kept postponing the distribution, claiming he was sorting out paperwork. Months turned into a year, and the family began to worry that the estate would never be settled. Eventually, Sophie contacted a solicitor who advised her on the legal steps to hold the executor accountable, and the estate was finally distributed fairly. So, what are your options when an executor is delaying? In England and Wales, executors have legal duties. They must act honestly, diligently, and in the best interests of all beneficiaries. They're responsible for gathering assets, paying debts, filing taxes, and distributing the estate according to the will. If they fail to act, there are ways to address it. One option is to communicate formally. Sometimes a reminder letter or formal request from a solicitor is enough to prompt action. If that doesn't work, you can apply to the court for a grant of probate enforcement, or ask the court to remove or replace the executor if they are unwilling or unable to carry out their duties. Evidence such as correspondence, timelines, and records of delays can strengthen your case. Another example is Daniel, whose father's estate was tied up because the executor was mismanaging assets and delaying payments. With legal support, Daniel petitioned the court, and the executor was removed, allowing the estate to be distributed properly. The process was quicker and far less stressful than letting the delays continue unchecked. The key takeaway is that beneficiaries don't have to accept delays. Executors must act fairly and efficiently, and the law provides mechanisms to protect your rights. Acting early and seeking professional advice can prevent the estate from being tied up unnecessarily and ensure that distributions happen according to the wishes of the deceased. If you're facing delays, don't wait. Understanding your rights and taking action promptly can save time, reduce stress, and ensure the estate is handled correctly. Blackstone Solicitors, protecting estates, resolving disputes, safeguarding legacies.